In this video, I'm going to give you 3 types of Black Friday promotions, ones that you can easily implement on your Shopify websites that will increase your average order value as well as, of course, increase your revenue through the holiday season. The first one is buy X, get Y free, but a special twist on that. The second one is the Doorbuster. And the third one is mix and match bundles here at the end. I'm going to pull up how to implement a standard get X% off, and then finally how to, as best as possible on Shopify, not interrupt your full Thanksgiving evening to get these specials configured on your website. Everyone loves a buy one, get one free deal. But what I'm going to recommend is buy 2, get 1 free, or some variation of that, not an equal number. And here's why. With a buy 2, get 1 free, we are motivating them to purchase more from us, thus increasing our average order value. Let's take a look at how we can get this implemented on your Shopify store. All right, so come over here into discounts, and I actually already have this set up. It's basically the same thing as clicking add discount. If you click add discount, buy X, get Y, you can either have a discount code or an automatic discount. For this example, I'm choosing a automatic discount. I've already configured this one, and the customer buys, it has a minimum quantity of items, 3 specific items, and we're going to offer this on the black bean bag. What do they get in return? They get a specific product, this biodegradable cardboard pot. Maybe the beans can grow, I don't know. But we're going to offer that as a discounted value for free. So this allows your customers to be able to purchase 3, get 1 free. If we come over here to the cart, and we see that I have 6 products here for the black bean bag, and we have 2 free. So I'm going to drop this down. And what you'll notice is we have 3 products now that qualify for this. And we have the remainder 2. I was at 6 before. I'm dropping down to 5. This 2 now no longer qualifies for this promotion. However, this promotion is here and ready to go. And then there was the second one in the cart that gets moved over into a non-free status. So that is number 1, buy X, get Y free. Easy to implement. It just works. The other thing is customers must add this other product into the cart. It's not like they're able to walk through this process and it's automatically added. They have to add this manually to the cart themselves. So in this type of a situation, it's probably good to put some messaging out there to say, here's how you can get this product. Now, as far as the Doorbuster goes, we're going to give the first 100 people to purchase on the website a massive discount. The idea is to get them in, and when we get them in, we want it to be very obvious where other products that they would also be interested in. So yes, this is a loss leader, but we want to make sure our cross sells and our upsells are well done and get people into your store and get some quick wins. In order to do this, all you have to do is select any one of these. We could just say amount off for products. We have a discount code. We'll call this Doorbuster. We're going to put this as a 50% discount. We're going to apply it to everything across the website. And then we can say, we can filter down by customers, etc. Here, finally, we can set this to limit the number of times that this discount be used in total. So the first 100 customers gets 50% off anything in our store. And that's easy to implement. So right there, we have number 2. The third one is a little bit more complicated, and that is mix and match bundles. So if we want to say, if you purchase these 2 types of products together, then we're going to give you a 30% discount. We recommend using the Shopify bundle app, and in there you can create bundle products where you are selecting predefined groups of this. And it's not necessarily mix and match. There is an app called Revy Discounts, which will allow for some of that. Depends on your aptitude for apps. But if you're okay with forcing people into specific combinations, then create bundle products and throw those combinations into the bundle product and then discount those. That's easy, and that would be what I would consider the native workaround to be. Otherwise, just use the Revy Discounts module. The final one, and this hardly bears any need to do a tutorial on this in Shopify, but I'm just going to show you here. We actually already kind of did this. We have a discount value, and we can just do an automatic discount. If you just went 10% off for whatever products these are and narrow this down to your selection of products or collection, it's super easy. Finally, the one thing that I consistently hear is nobody likes to be updating these values or putting these notices on the website after a Thanksgiving dinner. Thus, there is an app to be able to help with that. And that is called Theme Scheduler Pro. It's nice that we add Pro on the end. It makes us feel even more official. With Theme Scheduler Pro, what we can do is create a copy of our existing theme. Remember, the page builder-ish content is associated per theme. So we copy the theme, the page builder content comes over. We can create a new page or update the existing homepage with this content. So we can create a copy of our theme, go in and make all the changes we want to that theme, then then schedule it using Theme Scheduler Pro to flip over into this Black Friday theme. At some later date, we can flip it back off, and all of our promotion information then goes away, and this sale has disappeared into the ether. Now, the other thing just to note is we have in our discount dates, so we can set a start date and an end date. So if not only do you want to set content to be published at midnight Black Friday through 11:59 Sunday night, and then you would have your next set of content for Cyber Monday then pop up at midnight. So you can use this for the promotions, and then you use Theme Scheduler Pro. You use that for flipping over your new theme here in this process. So with that, I hope you found it helpful. These are 3 ways that will increase your conversion rate, increase your average order value through the Black Friday and Cyber Monday holiday season, and kickstart you into an incredible closing out of your year.